Welcome, Pwersa Alas is back once again. Nandito tayo sa Forest Hills Passion Delight. Naka-new arrival po sila. Maraming solid dito na shoes and garments and pants, jacket. Solid lahat. Alas in. Ito po yung Doc Martens, price 2.8, naka new arrival po sila. Ang size 9.5. Doc Martens. Nike Sakay, size 10, price 3.8. Nike Sakay Low, Nike size 10, price 2.8. New arrival Nike Vans size 10, price 1.8. Vans new arrival, ukay. Adidas Boost size 9.5, price 1.8. New arrival Adidas Ultra Boost triple white, size 11, price 1.8. Adidas Ultra Boost new arrival, ukay. Adidas Yeezy size 9, price 1.8. Adidas Easy. Gucci size 10, price 3.8. New arrival Gucci. New Balance size 9.5, price 2.8. New arrival New Balance. Prada shoes new arrival, size 9.5, price 2.8. Prada new arrival, ukay. Solid Prada. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung mga bag nila. Naka new arrival po yan. Solid bag, ukay. Dito lang po sa Forest Hills, Novaliches. Solid bag, ukay. Marami po yan. Solid bag, ukay. Ma'am, sir, naka new arrival po to. Thank you, Forest Hills, Novaliches. LB shoes size 10, price 3.8. LB shoes solid new arrival, ukay. Versace size 10, price 3.8. Versace solid legit, ukay. New arrival Valentino size 9, price 3.8. Solid Valentino, ukay. New arrival Dior size 8.5, price 3.8. New arrival Dior, ukay. Dior. Nike Michael Jordan size 8.5, price 3.8. Nike Michael Jordan. Adidas James Harden Boost size size 10, price 3.8. Adidas Boost James Harden Low. Reebok size 10, price 1.8. Reebok ukay new arrival. Nike Michael Jordan Low size 12, price 3.8. New arrival ukay Nike Michael Jordan Low. Nike Michael Jordan model Russell Westbrook size 9, price 3.8. Nike Russell Westbrook Low model new arrival ukay Converse shoes size 11, price 2.8. Converse shoes new arrival ukay Nike size 10, price 2.8. New arrival ukay Nike Undercover Jun Takahashi Low. Nike Air Max Bubble size 9.5, price 2.8. Nike Air Bubble new arrival ukay. Ma'am, sir, matataas talaga ang presyo ng new arrival. Adidas size 9.5, price 3.8. Adidas new arrival ukay. Nike Air Force 1 size 9, price 2.8. Nike Air Force 1 new arrival ukay. Adidas Boost size 10, price 1.8. Adidas Boost new arrival ukay. Adidas size 9, price 1.8. Adidas new arrival ukay. Nike Kobe Bryant Low size 9, price 2.8. Nike Kobe Bryant Low new arrival ukay. Nike LeBron James size 12, price 3.8. Nike LeBron James Low new arrival ukay. Nike Chris Paul size 9, price 3.8. Nike Chris Paul Jordan model new arrival ukay. Adidas James Harden size 12, price 3.8. Adidas James Harden Low new arrival ukay. New Balance Kawhi Leonard size 9, price 2.8. Kawhi Leonard new arrival ukay. Signing Kawhi Leonard new arrival ukay. Nike Paul George size 9.5, price 2.8. Nike Paul George new arrival ukay. Nike Air Force 1 collaboration Babestar size 9, price 3.8. Collaboration Babestar. Nike Air Force 1 new arrival ukay. Nike Sakai Low size 9, price 2.8. New arrival ukay. Nike Sakai Low. Parada shoes triple black size 8.5, price 1.8. Parada shoes new arrival ukay. Doc Martens size 9, price 3.8. Doc Martens new arrival ukay. Alexander McQueen, size 7, price 3.8. Solid Alexander McQueen, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike Waffle, size 8.5, price 1.8. Nike Waffle, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung mga jacket nila. Ang dami, napakarami po niyang jacket. Sa kabila po ay mga pants. Update lang po, naka new arrival po sila dito po sa may Four Seals, Novaliches, Passion Delight. Solid jacket. Ma'am, sir, ito po yung mga jacket nila. Marami po silang arrival na jacket tsaka pantalon. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Reebok, size 9.5, price 1.8. New arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike Air Max Bubble, size 12, price 1.8. Nike Air Max Bubble, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike size 12, price 1.8. Nike new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike Michael Jordan Low, size 9, price 3.8. Nike Michael Jordan Low. Nike Air Max Bubble triple white, size 9, price 1.8. Nike Air Max Bubble, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Nike Michael Jordan, size 8, price 3.8. Nike Michael Jordan, new arrival, ukay-ukay. Welcome, Passion Delight, Novaliches, Four Seals. Naka new arrival po sila. Ang dami pong solid na ukay-ukay. Hanggang dito na lang si Alas. Alas, back to back. Thank you.